Welcome back to Tech with Adilamsi, everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and anything else I do for fun. In today's video, I will be continuing the modifications and upgrades to my 2014 Honda CR-V EX. Specifically, I will be installing the 4-pin trailer hitch wiring. The hitch install will be a separate video at a later time. So first, let's remove the weather stripping and interior trim pieces to expose the tail light wiring on the driver's side. Remove the interior side piece by removing the hanger clip. Next, remove the fold-down lever's plastic piece and 2 screws behind it. Next, remove the center trim piece and the weather stripping. Pull off the plastic tabs holding the rear center trim piece down and pull it up to remove it. Remove the 10mm bolt holding the metal tie down and pull on the interior trim to release from plastic tabs. Remove the plastic tabs on the side bottom and pull the rest of the trim off. You should now be able to see the wiring harness that we will be using to wire everything in. The connections are actually very simple. The new harness simply splices right into that and is plug and play. It only connects one way. Then put the fuse in the fuse holder and drill and screw a ground bolt. I used a pre-existing hole and screwed into that. The only thing left to do besides that is add the fuse in the driver's side bottom area in the fuse box. Here is a picture of what you need to do. That's the end of the video, everyone. I'll be doing a lot more modification videos for the CR-V, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content.